I have a number of patients who oftentimes they're sitting at a desk working on the computer or their laptop, and they're just sitting for literally from 9 to 5 throughout the entire day. And what I want to encourage you to do is get up every 45 to 50 minutes and get up and move. The reason why they say that sitting to your spine is like sugar to your teeth. It just wears the joints out. And the reason why is because the joints in your spine actually require movement to allow them to stay healthy. There's no direct blood supply to those discs within the spine, and so it requires movement to bring in nutrients, but it also requires movement to flush out the toxins and the inflammation of the joints. And so what happens is if these joints are not moving, which is why if those joints misalign and they get fixated, we need to realign those joints, restoring proper movement and function of the joint. Because if it's not correctly moving, then what happens are those joints will start to wear out and they start to thin and they start to create really what's called arthritis or degeneration. And so movement is key, and especially if you're having a lot of discomfort, especially if you're under our treatment, we want to get as much movement as possible because movement's going to help to keep those joints nice and healthy, but it also helps to pump out and move a lot of the inflammation out of the joints as well. And especially if you have some pain in your disc, you're experiencing it more in the morning, movement will actually help you to reduce some of that inflammation from just being stagnant all day, or if you've just been sitting all day, and usually is more painful when you get up off of the chair. Once you start moving, it actually helps to push out some of the inflammation out of that joint, and oftentimes patients will start to feel better as they're getting more and more movement in their joints. So please do me a favor, every 45 to 50 minutes, if you can start getting up and getting some movement, walk for 10 to 15 minutes if you can, or at least bare minimum, get up, go get some water, go to the bathroom, do whatever you can, but just get movement in your joints. So I'll see you on the next video. I hope that helps. God bless. Peace.